I have a very bad joke that you probably won't get, but I will tell you anyway. So I just completely forgot my joke. No, I've remembered it now. Keep watching. So a SQL query walks into a bar and goes up to two tables and says, "May I join you?" Don't worry, you'll get it one day. One day when you do databases in a bit more depth, you'll get it. For now, we'll just do a pretty lightweight introduction to databases, pretty brief, just the fundamentals that you need to know, right? So what is a database? A database has tables. This table is called people. That's the name of the table. A table contains rows. This table has 9 rows. In this case, each row represents a person. Normally, each row represents a particular thing. In this case, it is a person. That's the thing. So each row is a thing. This table happens to have 4 fields. Those are also called the columns, right? Columns. There we go. So the fields are the columns. These 4 columns or fields, same thing, are customer ID, the first name, the last name, and date created. I guess the date that the user joined the site, I suppose. Yeah, so it's a series of rows. Each row has fields, and each field has a value. Fun fact, Firestore actually calls each row a document, and it calls a table a collection. So that's a fun thing about Firestore. The naming is different, but the concept is the same, right? Each row is a document. Fun fact too, a cassowary can run 50 kilometers an hour. How terrifying is that? Anyway, so yes, that's also a fun fact. As well as the concept of a table, we also have this concept of a schema. A schema shows the structure of the database or the structure of a table without caring about its contents. It just cares about how that table is laid out. So here we have a table, right? This is our table with all of the data in it. The schema looks like this. This is the schema. Yeah, so it's got the name of the table, it's got all of the fields in it, and also has the data type. For example, customer ID is a number, it is an integer. The first name is a string, and so is the last name. The date created is a date time. You know, it's a date combined with a time. Date time. Pen, apple, apple pen, you know, you get the idea. As an example, if I wanted to do it for a website that has posts and comments, well, a schema might look like having an ID, you know, the text of the post, the username. This is very similar to the Fakebook example or the Razorbook example. And it happens in Firestore that the ID that you get in Firestore is a string, interestingly enough, not a number. Anyway, I might have another table called comments. Notice that these are actually linked, right? Every comment, I make a comment on a post. So one post can have lots of comments. One post has many comments here. And that means that the comment needs to know which post it is for. There's no point having a comment saying cool post if I don't know which post that was for, right? So in this case, the post ID links to the ID here, right? This is a relationship. And that is how you can do a database schema. So have fun making your database schema. If you got questions, let me know and I can help you out. Have fun, guys.